I want to give you guys my honest review of the Bissell Spot Clean Pro carpet cleaner. I absolutely love this. We've actually had it for 6 years and it's hands down the best spot cleaner we've ever had. I love this one specifically because it has a long 20-foot cord that wraps up really nice right here and a 5-foot hose that also, if you just lift this up, you can pull it out really easy to unwind it. I actually had this out tonight because I was cleaning up a spill of some tea on cream carpet. So it worked great. And this one is the 3-inch tool, but it also comes with a 6-inch tool that you just swap out the adapters. It also comes with a sample of one of their cleaners. I really love it. It doesn't take very much. You can mix it with water. So I'm just going to show you real quick. Right here, if you lift this up, you can get the, this is the reservoir that you put water and cleaner in, and just screws off right there, pops in. But then, like I said, I just had this out to clean a tea spill up with. I want to show you how well it works. Look at how gross and dirty that water is because it sucked so much out of the carpet. So, really gross. It has a large capacity tank though, so I didn't fill this very full because I just had one spot to do. It can hold a lot. It just is, like I said, it's a corded one, so there's just a power button you push on. All you do is plug it in, push the button, and then you pull this trigger right here and it squirts out solution, and then you can scrub with the bristles and it sucks up everything right there. So it pulls all the moisture back out of the carpet. Hands down, recommend this Bissell Spot Clean Pro.